Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we talk about the high impact news events that are coming our way very soon. We want to be aware of these so we don't get caught off guard in our trading. Let's go ahead and talk about the dates of Wednesday through Saturday, November 8th through November 11th. Beginning with Wednesday the 8th, there is news early on at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time out of the UK, then at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time out of the US. On the opposite end of the day, at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, we'll have high impact news out of China. As we work our way into Thursday, we'll have news early on at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time and again at 2 p.m. Eastern, both out of the US. As we reach Friday, we have news early again at 2 a.m., this time out of the UK, and then finally at 10 a.m. Eastern out of the US. And then we sail off into a Saturday where there's a whole lot of nothing notable going on. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you all very soon.